First, you need to get the oven heated up. Set it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. And while it's getting ready, you can start preparing the meat mixture. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 pound of ground beef, a sleeve of crushed saltine crackers, 1 egg, half a cup of chopped green bell pepper, and half a cup of chopped onion. To this mixture, add 2 tablespoons of ketchup and half a cup of BBQ sauce. Season it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder to your liking. Mix everything thoroughly until it's well combined. You want every bite to have a bit of everything. Now transfer this mixture to a cast iron skillet and shape it into a loaf form right in the center. The beauty of using a skillet is that it catches the fat that drips off, allowing the meat to cook evenly in its own juices. Want to add a little extra flavor? Feel free to brush the top of the meatloaf with additional barbecue sauce or ketchup to create a nice glaze. Once you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to bake. Place the skillet in the preheated oven and let it bake for about 1 hour or until the meatloaf is cooked through. But don't be too eager to slice into it right away. Once it's baked, remove the skillet from the oven and let the meatloaf rest for about 10 minutes. This helps the juices redistribute, making the meatloaf even more flavorful and moist. Now it's time to serve. Slice the meatloaf and serve it directly from the skillet for a rustic presentation. This southern homemade meatloaf pairs wonderfully with sides like mashed potatoes, steamed vegetables, or even a simple salad. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.